Let's raise that temp a little bit. I'll go to 2. I'll be a naughty boy. Not bad. Not bad at all. I forget how much it cost, but Paul knows. It was cheap, like, comparatively. $30? Yeah, that sounds about right. This is a lot better because the last time I used this, like, the thing was red hot and felt like it was lifting all the pads. This actually looks decent. I have some trouble getting it in the hole, but besides that, not fucking bad. Come on, there we go. Oh, Simon, do you want to desolder my ancient PCB? Thanks. No, it's going to be lead-free. That makes it instantly terrible. All right, one moment. Let me try and get a nice angle. Oh, baby, look at that beautiful angle. Oh, all right, when this thing stops bouncing up and down. Oh, baby, look at that. It's beautiful. That beautiful cinematic angle. I know, it's a legit Hacko. I know, because it's fucking Japanese voltage. So it only works at 100 volts. That's how you know it's real. Why do you PP spin it around the hole? Because old habits die hard. I'm doing that so I open up air gaps around the tip as I suck, so it's not a fully flush seal for a variety of reasons. It just helps with general desoldering. I'm used to it. So that's how I would do it with a hand job pump, is basically wiggle it around. Oh yeah, you definitely heard hand job. I will show you what a hand job pump looks like. Okay, that was sus. Where's my unsusser? Did I melt the bottom of my switches? Some of them are a little melted. It's okay. We do a little melting. We do a little melting. They're probably like... These guys have been soldered and desoldered like 8 to 10 times, so... Alright. So that's the macro... And... Okay, we're good. Alright, let me show you the hand job pump. See, this is the hand job pump, okay? And you're just like, that doesn't look all that impressive, Simon. I bet my hand job pump is decently sized compared to this. If I can fucking find it somewhere on my desk. One moment. Alright, I legit can't find it because it's so small. Hello? It's just not on my desk. That's great. Well, I have 5.5K and I'm thinking of buying a Jane CE, but I'm hesitant when I try to buy it. Do you know of any keyboard that has a similar typing feel? I've heard that Unicorn is similar. Unicorn is a ledge mount O-ring 60%. This is a top mount with optional gasket TKL. So, no? Not even close. The most similar would be anything that has a Jane V2 top mounting. So something like the KFE, for example. The Frog is, no, it's a very different typing feel and typing sound. But you should be getting a Frog. Honestly, like if you're on the hunt for a good TKL and you don't know where to start, buy a Frog. Exclamation YouTube, watch my like 47-minute in-depth Frog review and find out if it's for you. It could be. Just buy a car. Just buy hookers and cocaine. Honestly. And blackjack. What is my prototyping process when designing a board? Do I start right off with an Alu proto? Yeah, of course. I mean, I do personally, but like, if you don't have the means, you can start with a 3D printed. But 3D printed isn't gonna give you, like, I start with aluminum just to see fitment. And everybody starts with aluminum. So like you do aluminum instead of a brass weight, for example, and aluminum instead of a brass plate, just to make sure everything fits together properly. And then after that, you go in with proper materials and proper finishing. But you could 3D print, if you're a poor boy from a poor family. But I highly recommend that you do have funds if you're gonna plan to sell it to other people. Because if something goes wrong, then simply being like, I know has monies is not gonna go well for you. Wow, this is... Hello? Just go in and out, Jesus. Okay. I'm slightly concerned. This should go in and out cleanly, right? But it doesn't. Some sort of obstruction. There we go. Come on. Okay, we got it. I think I'm gonna raise the temp a little bit more. There we go. Fuck, why are my hands so bad? Imagine trying to redeem a dance with 24 Simon coin. Really? That's the equivalent of the Zoidberg thing where he pulls out $300 and he's like, one art, please. One can dream, that is true. The hardest part is like me trying to get this thing in the hole. It's literally so hard to get it in the hole. Any kiss avail, I will kiss. I will gladly kiss my alligator, you know? I love kissing my alligator. He's so nice. He's so fluffy. Mwah. Mwah. Yay. And one for you. Mwah. get this macro cam out of here. I really need... I'll eventually figure out the macro cam. So I bought a jib. If you don't know what a jib is, it's a thing that allows me to move it up and down while it retains the same angle, like the same perspective. And it's like a big counterweighted arm that's supposed to sit on a tripod. But I bought a really cheap Chinese one, so it's a little bouncy. Like we do a little bouncing. Like, I would prefer if it wasn't super bouncy. Sir, that is a crocodile? No, that is an alligator. Don't tell me what I'm kissing. I know what I'm kissing.